Well, Bill and Candace, local experts will tell you that while the pandemic is getting most of the attention, the opioid and heroin epidemic didn't slow or stop. From county roads to neighborhood streets to highway interchanges. These scenes from Chesterfield County share a grim characteristic. Someone died of a drug overdose nearby since last Thursday.
We want people to understand that it affects everybody.
Lieutenant Timothy Kehoe with the Chesterfield PD says 6 fatal overdoses within 72 hours, Thursday into Saturday, marks the highest total in such a short stretch of time in more than a year. He says overdose calls in the county are up by around 20% overall.
It's hard to say if it's solely related to the COVID pandemic, but we've definitely seen an uptick.
Toxicology reports are not final yet, so officials are not sure if this rash of deaths are at the hands of a potent batch of drugs or other factors. But Kehoe says over the past year or two, they've seen a shift in what they call multi or poly drugs responsible for overdoses.
It's not just heroin or fentanyl in their system. It's heroin, it's fentanyl, it's cocaine, it's methamphetamine. So it's all kinds of narcotics that are in their system.
Our mental health demands have gone up.
State Delegate Betsy Carr from Richmond is sponsoring a bill to, quote, enhance Virginia's safe overdose reporting laws.
We're beginning to realize that addiction is a disease. It's not a crime.
Currently, the victim of an overdose and the person who calls for help are shielded from prosecution from things like drug possession. The bill Carr is backing would expand that to any person who's helping someone get medical attention for an overdose.
It encourages people to get help when they need it, rather than being afraid of having to go to prison or be punished.
If you're calling to either get aid for yourself or someone else who's overdosing, we're not going to arrest you.
Lieutenant Kehoe encouraging anyone who needs help to please contact someone without hesitation.
If you think that you're alone, I can pretty much guarantee you're not. That bill we mentioned did clear the House of Delegates with bipartisan support on Monday. Chesterfield County has an opioid outreach coordinator, and you can contact them if you or someone you know needs assistance. The number, 804-717-6169. Working for you in Chesterfield County, Jake Burns, CBS 6 News.